Hi, good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to display a link commentary into your charts, which can be changed dynamically based on the commentaries that you put into the cells. So I have prepared some data in a very simple table. Um, as you can see, it is a financial performance table with revenue and expenses. I put the date 2024 and 2023. Um, um, I have shown two lines, revenue and expenses. And then in the commentary, I have explained why the revenue has increased and why expenses have increased as well. So I want to display these two commentary in the chart here. So as you can see the graph here, revenue is it has increased from 500 to 800. Orange is 2023, blue is 2024. Then I have a commentary here why it has increased. This commentary is based on what you have typed here. So if I change private contract, it will change dynamically in the commentary. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I'm going to clear the commentaries here. I'm going to start from fresh. So what you do is you click on the bar chart, and then you right click on add data labels, then click on add data callouts, right? Then you right click again, you go to format data labels, right? Over here, as you can see, it's displaying category name and value. So maybe I just want value, right? And then what I do is I select the range of the comments, click on OK, then click on value, right? So it will display. This call out box, you can change it. Go to format, go to change shape, and then you can select the type of call outs that you want. This is a square one, not very pretty, so I'm going to change it to bubble, right? Then you can change the size individually of the bubble, right? Just click on it, and then you can minimize, and then you can change the color as well up here to yellow. Yeah, I think this will help you. Yeah, if you think this video has helped you, give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye bye.